my men share me party for say ebraso say party adwuma ya over the period nyina no ye say ye trotro omo ye ko mo so dani den nyina din e wo buku a ye de amaye nim me gina mo platform yi so aka kire wo mo say omo hwe nyame anim na omo ma afoforo a wo mo to about same polling station wo no nipa over 500 people no omo mo din embrem so omo ye MPP fo a omo de book no esie omo de ahihye omo toam ofre no ano nam ha wo se ha yes say Mountain polling station ho na amanfo intimi metro mu din say omo ye MPP fo a yes re wo mo ye ma ye party ni nya akono. If we don't write their names, they will punish us during the elections. Yes, Remo. But yet, then they become part of us. Yeni omoni ebe nante na omato omaba amaye. Nipa no o expect say obehye u t-shirt. Na mo utwo ni din obuku mu dia ompese obetro. Me trap we free the case so asre wo mo. What I say omumwa na process no from 1st of March ebe wie 31st no ebe wie na enya nipa dodo no a, and I can assure them see enya even half of the people omo a police center or say omo ye MPP fo a we have won the elections in advance. Enya dia elections event, it's a process we nyina ka ho bi ti ebe stress omo ma saade no enya adwuma na emo aye nyina. Akukwa efa Iran ne Israel ne US in some no there minua Salam waka, and he has that can say flow ewo ho watch history and whatever, and I always commend him on that aspect. I would timi ema sa and chechemu no nyamisha no papa na me mesu so aka, because there are 2 or 3 countries we nyina no omo might na omo kura no masa ye nkura bi what I say ye nkura bi kura, because player timi dan no ho wie mu ya ye bomb suma ya suma se enko play no a dan na dodge na ye se ni ade ye de eduru akrofo mu na etitoye enti me ka manasi so se senior ekoso no me de me ko headed makota asumasi ana obintin echi ko kana man ko kan yi a ebe ko akofa asem abre ye nyina na matise okuja tozo so besebesi na no kana no ntum kura, because so ko ka bibi say kim na ya hweye ne ade ko ka ho sesi ya say Ghana ye to kura no eto 1 2 3 na senior si abe no wo be je to nkura to form. What I say play afa ni ekoto helicopter 4 ni ato 2 amoma pani ye de wa hakora enya adwuma ni atimi de akoko. What I say B2 ni wa ya okay ebi wo Ghana ha what I say enti no eno de ye besre na me di twa to no minimu say entoko ekoso wo ho no Ghana ne Middle East wo ne muwa entimi enya nsusu obia we so
anya na Ghana sojafo bi akoka omo I want to hear
mentie
enra sojafo apra eda so yi omo base na jedem won say ye dey through Facebook ejedem Ghana ni soja ni bi press
me can say sa economic can say influence betima buy so no ba ye soja for ho akande a ye be sere se omo hwe omo no mo ho ntomo na mom se ehun sunsuaso no be ma ye petrol ana e bibia kofom de entimi ensi, because
it possible
me pa chow de di kan to eye adwuma meboa yase do even combat you say one obo adwuma den o ma pani kura ka to has started working
by a year up to 45,000 per
die tie bia ye na no ye Ghana anyasa yese to crude etimu tu ya na mu de amatofo na o ma nane ni akoto ya de etinya de benya susuaso bia obi aso etie no me di ebe konko
ba se import bebre ba refined fuel de
munyai
de ye ne ha ne nso yen
me say munyai ni en concentrate se to no ne babie mu ayembiem anati ase exactly ye babiem ayembiem
ba se nyem prempre wuntimi nye ni sisia
mu ye to ye dey
dem make say ebeye adwuma no start Cries build another factory and I say sa to yi nature ibia I mean it will take some time ibia a year cry edino emprempre ye ntokwa yi koso a oil no so e ko nanim easy cry extra $80 per barrel no ye ne den
me say when the willpower is there you bet my
you bet me in by 3 months
na China for almost the 17 or 19 days esi abro say 59
okay
na den na Ghana kwa de ka bibia na ya mudendin NDC ba bibia no possible money
ba wo industrialization ni infidi nyuma ne ade China kwa nanim chen ye nti ono ka so ye bibia say
eti ene ya so kan ya de ne anyinya wo masem we ananti de ka na say ye compare because we want to get there na see etimi compare no ma ko manim dodo kra de ne eti ye de
ma yenye realistic
na me say yan compare ni etimi focus say ana say yentima target say nkofo de ye ko bia ene ye eti ye de denti na we say discuss bibi kra
asisi a opeso unya sika se your friends despite ene kwesitwum mu ne wo mu a sikafo ebo mu din okuru mu ene Ibrahim Mahama mo ne nasefo na opeso unya
ene de obubo bodi o
e be take you time ana mebo a obe
ana me say se yentimi fo mu nka asemo dia ene na ye den what did they can say they started somewhere but you started so near me say willpower ne wo wa kokwa ye beti maye wo de na me nsam dosu
okay
what I say nti run ne we nsam no de me mesusu aka because ya to ye adwuma mampani aka ye dana say combat nyame ncha no wo nyere no ho combat wo nhye bi mfa bi nhye atare ne ne pabo nya
e say de ni nyina da no
so say ne be ya
e wo to ho
yes because we are told say some magic bi and your president ama petrol abafom enye world market price bia ne ade joma ama aba papa aba petrol ayefo wo ha wonko ba bia ne yire da so yelodina ne ba sharif ne ayi da so ho what you say ba da so to akonyam eti bibia ne ho asesa bibia so sesa e be continue enjoy petrol 10 cities ne 11 cities no ma membra owura ya say akrantienti ya chi na tumi hwe mira ho from Saturday na enanopa me say etie sa story no enam so a wa frɛ sa forestry PRO no so no mira ho mo na me bisa me ho say o mind be kura na timwe edie be pa na ekoso a che say oni bie mo broni ena da bia emra edino adan uti aze hwe de to kokko akuafo
na nas weni atata ni so
me so ankasa nyasa mani no tae a time me from market say me dia reho from Saturday sa na me de ba studio yi asa na me bedu ha na sati asemu a akoso no
afra
na minia ekasa ye no opa kire se ase MPP for the yato abam ya lusu etien tonwurem emien kasa we have no moral right to talk send sessions are making no chese ense kasa kra he's even sitting here saying say hu ni MPP for that so ne nam ho yen chichi yen tumu yen ye de ben de mu de ye so
I don't mind mo de
oti ase ekwan omode afa so no akokwa enswa
eno ne de hin omo ye mo
oti ase several MPP for kwan afa so kochi wo mu fie Bank of Ghana and governor cry bo run fie ye be wie na 10,000 ayira wo dan mu ho ye call finance minister if you abra ye nim say oni ho no ni ama ne ma aye match pass wo dem wa hu ni fie ho ye line up ne ma ani ade what you say ADC of Dr. Bawumia or your police in you what you say you go bunny die search ni fie ade o di Bawumia master I can count number of people is Obama pokua say or the idea to the Facebook keke you go bunny pro e fa no koi say wo mechire mu chire police for e kwan of us this ade no to ni Facebook ade video wa repost minia enti de omodi aye no pa chire say ye de yen kabi na kokwa wudi dance say with the energy sector there one more contract almost signed from 2012 ABC 2016 I think it's a World Bank another World Bank friends and leader cracker be say Ghana energy sector no contracts ahodo aban na wo that period no assign to ho no ena ama oman no enyira ne naso because within a year no we were paying like $500 million because of contract take or pay agreement akokwa me feel say udi sa adanse no what you say and in all things no ya ba bewie ama 8 years of akofo Dubai you are here you witness a constant supply of electricity meboa enti no minia cannot say a car ye betu ye no ye the ye justification ema ye deprive Ghanaians and Ghana for of electricity
ba so se mo kono so car mo ja enya
no mo de omuja to on contract boni a omudi akato ho esa sign contract boni eti a car coupled with a car monthly utua masa emien ko ho but ya manu anya excuse ya my constant supply of electricity mobile papa ba is expected to say and never back from amamenu mienu ya teso aba ananya sa
but say omo no mo ye bia so omo atete so kakra
ya electricity no so
me kan omo cabo any idea o ka so omo boka tu e na no say Independence Day previously na 15 million is almost 1.5 pen almost spend day na no dey
omo file RTI for last year there aba
and Felix aka ho asem say
and then we bu ho last year na yeah see RTI yeah file within 14 days be ka ho asem che nipa no watena ho from last year and one we bu last year eka 15 million ko say what they say
1.5 million
1.5 million and say ne eno om de to there because soldier for me no mu so mu ye president say no 1.5 million ananya sa mu kwa shede mu no mu kwa mu diwo Jubilee House nkwa no 1.5 million
abasa ho buy
the buta ho ne mo de coke ana fanta ana ka banku ba
omo be che niane o
enti nyina be di bi enti mu kwa shede edi sa 1.5 million ne nyina ya ntra fie enya sa kokwa enkoda now mobile aban papa ba is expected say nka mo betete niema so I'm sitting here telling you say Miniati was also a national communications officer or whatever part of their NDC team on catch me which part of IMF agreement and the catch yes including you we are same training I catch yes say you better to light bill every 3 months on proving chame because yatewa mama twitwa san trono atu Ghana for team on catch me say which part on proving chame say which part of IMF agreement and the catch yes say every 3 months biano you better to light bill mamu tutum enti IMF for no so na catch me say mu first can quarter part ema students IMF for no and the catch me say mu go first over 293 million and quarter nkoko nketenkete IMF for na kan sa asem no chemo
na de na mo de ko IMF
minya IMF di enti na IMF ho IMF eba because of issues and obianim Russia Ukraine war eba oti ase covid de ni die bebo mu ansa na no so eba se no nso nya justification we yansem troni na se wo unje no so ntumu a wa wasem because the current president Cries atuma can be say yenya effect e was sa niam no so eba eno na ma sa inflation ni ade ni economy ni nyina crash ya wo ho for remedy eti umbisam say then yakoho nye ne nkwa ne yakoho several times and there are reasons why I will be baby what I say there's a kusie mpia nti opia wi na there's a bibi na asie na ekobasa because I quite remember Cries say obi ka che say MPP for na dey akọ IMF na why na be kwa ebe abeji free mu Do you get my point? It me stress sa ade no a wo ka no mususunka because there's nothing like that. What I say, mo person mo tutu ade no mu a mo ka no kre mo buy 28% and am obi esu etietiamu na awe ho say ebeba ne sa akokwa hwe Ghana yesi enya independence and what is there to celebrate? What is there to celebrate? Abra ni pasitrem cost of living kwa na ekosro akokwa matria kachrew eniema enkoyie obi akrantienti ene ya chinatu chese independence day ni pay wewire mu okoku akrantienti nipa no won independence day ni bi ene koku akuafo ensu bobena se wo musika koku akuani no akokwa there was so did 3,600 a year of our bag who crano na bra what to say me say me cause we so e ko hwe se ne akuafo ni sitie papa ba ku be chia me no me sa me nsam say nsam say ya wo de chia mbisa ne say wo tibi de nsa no hohoro de nimu anopa utim si wa ye dwumaden wa bua makoko no abedu ba bia edu nipa nkoton kekemra no a wa tini sika so se hwi na de wodi 36,000 3,600 no na bra bot say na kan pese 2,500 kuku kuafo so so we members of parliament a minority no and then instead of some better parliament no omu na mwura mu ni kuku kuafo esu e pa ba yi chew akokwa omu pa ba yi chew se omu hu omu mobo ba bia sika wo biara akokwa mu hwe na mu tia kuku kuafo ka and we share internet obi esu woni prepared ahocha na doso na kokwa Saturday metia o mampani ni Ibrahim Mahama
ade wusu
o mampani ni Ibrahim Mahama wakoto aeroplane
say plane or dan
wakoto aeroplane abetrom
na so a businessman
and we am to say and we am to say obi akura wo yemu bi adwane bi ko ye chutu nkro ehifo na Ibrahim ama wo kọ wonu akura no ga ehifo no want to kwan koye na se ehifo and want to kwan koye se wo kọ he a wo koto play abra kuafo su na wo de capacity ni kura fa bu nia na bosia
Ibrahim ama nya aban
wonya aban ajani nia na president capacity ni kura bu nia na bosia eye ya waje na kuafo ho towa mo uya be ka chese de ba ko da che Ghana na anu adujama accident yesi ade ne afa plane mu akofo wo mo akofo
tolusu
what you say accident see ye wa adujama ade ne afa plane no ami afa ko number be no dija ya ye mfa mfrele ne afa plane nko fa wo mo ade na ye Ghana sa 1 year in office what ba control aeroplane so betrem abra members of parliament and namuram koko growing areas epa akuafo echewso munya abotre no behwe ne aban na kasa disika abra wo mo na wo de wanya bia control aeroplane o maya yetimunie obi na akrantienti yade na kotumu no what you say yenyina yesu ye pawo chaw
mom report issue mama
what you say yesu a pawo chaw sabua what you say na ye hu toye kakra and what is there to celebrate obiesu uko edura yesi ebro emo egu ha yenya tofo onto
ese so say
kashu ya tete so mini nipa esu nipa wu nipa bra na wanya bia control play betrem
o se wato ni one ni old one no obi yare o Ghana na yedin be kwa ama no ne
me se number ba no de agya wo
ye mfa
friend pa no premise obobo number no na me to Ghana nyina wo bi nya accident adujamade na kia friend wo makofa no ho agbese yakọ Nhyira number no wo di ja e kire no ana ya to se NDC fo nko ho se wo mu de wo ntira mu nie fo mu nko mo yare a me po me kwa tira sa plane ni mu bi obi o wa se hwi so kokko farmer no sa plane wo ba fu bi
okay
ada na mama ya nia ya ho Ghana ha sa ada ni ya ade abone na MPP ene Ghana fo aye Ghana for dear Bonnie ye. Say, when you see $70 million, no, when you Fabo Nianabosia. Fabo Nianabosia go pressure than so. And I just said, you can have my timpani for them, almost chasa. The trust and Onim Senechia ampa indeed. Because I'm saying Sanu start here no was Swansea. No one near Fra. Yakabi Bia won't take Martin Penny Fwase. The old trust and Onim Senechia ampa. Kadia Cosway. I will be a members of Parliament Nam Air Pacho. Air Quakia Force. President Mama share. Nasika 80 mana ho nipa ho tono. What the Okoto playing? Mini Bibi America.
Hey, poor Yandoh. Moment tissue.
Now, Akokwa, many answer more kaya. Young found to me quantum because wound to me you good. I will be good. They are what to play. They are what to play the only niti there a year. Niti a year. Say, or no, they are what to play.
Okay.
Wound to me you go into or has a yanchina to moi. Yanchina to moi or resign. Madiawako to play. I had a black voter. Eyan so amano ono dia oye genuine businessman untumi dia oye baller person anazo wo prapra baller so enti ono dia yengelino what kind of Ghana are we living in na just eye ahoya na yan country emre you say give time some time emre dia nim na Ghana be the papa
hey for Yandoh ena atenenka no MPP communications on a dan was antimantem. Abdul.